Hello, I'm Lisa.
I'm Ander.
And we both have personal experience with Parkinson's. My father got Parkinson's more than 10 years ago, and he quickly started suffering from freezing episodes, which led him to stand suddenly in a room and often fall. And I noticed that when this happened, he would call the nearest person and ask them to put a foot in front of his, and he would then instantly be able to step across that foot. And it worked almost like magic. So that led me to start developing a product to solve this.
I have nearly almost a similar experience because my grandfather had Parkinson's for almost 30 years, and my grandmother uses auditory cues, just saying him to take big steps when he had those freezing episodes. And now we are working on those visual cues to help the quality of life of Parkinson's people.
So what you see here in the video is one of our most recent users and how they're magically improving their ability to walk by using our product Pathfinder.